because again we're here at River of Living Water Ministry, Penn Road, going towards Bendocha area. It's their children's Christmas party. This is part 1, there's 3 parts. Second part is on December 14th. Third part is on December 27th. Kids enter free. Parents pay $1, adults pay $1. And that dollar gets you a chance to win a raffle each time. So at the end of today, there will be a raffle being drawn as well for a prize. So $1, it's not expensive. Kids are free. So if you're in the area, if you're not in the area, you could make it out. Be here. Come out. See, the first one has a bit of support. There's ice cream, there's food, there's chips and dips for the kids when they do get here.